It's not often that I come across something that blows me away, but AirWindows by developer Chris Johnson did just that, amassing a collection of over 900 free open source plugins. AirWindows describes themselves as hand-sewn bespoke digital audio tools and is run by Chris Johnson, who develops, releases and maintains this vast collection of audio tools, all completely for free. Even better, all of these plugins install in a single VST wrapper, allowing you to install all of the 900 tools without cluttering up your plugin list. This collection covers a wide range of devices, from creative effects to utility tools and dynamic processors. If you're unsure where to start, the plugin defaults to showing only the recommended devices, a greatest hits collection from the AirWindows library. To access all 900 plugins, simply change the filter by collection setting to all. Each effect also has a favorite button, allowing you to create a custom collection for quick access to your most used plugins. You can browse through everything on the website if you'd like. There's even a dedicated video tutorial for each plugin. These plugins sound amazing too, with their no-nonsense UI and virtually zero CPU usage. I'm finding myself reaching for them more and more over popular commercial options. One of my most used tools is a utility device. By turning a single knob, I can hear different sections of my track, like bitrate previews, just the peaks, subs, mono signal, sides, different headphone types, and more. Everything is described in great detail on the interface, so you're never left wondering what something does. Since these plugins are free and open source, I'm not sponsored and have no affiliation with AirWindows, but this collection is so exceptional that I can't imagine why any producer wouldn't want them. If you're able, please consider supporting Chris Johnson and the AirWindows project on Patreon, which I'll link to below.